Good day, sir. From what is apparent based on the test result you sent, your azoospermia is non-obstructive azoospermia. And the reason why I was able to conclude this is that look at your FSH. Your FSH is significantly high. And the function of FSH, the primary function of FSH is that it's the hormone that the brain secretes to stimulate the part of your testis that is responsible for producing sperm. You get? So FSH is the one that will tell your testis. The testis has two functions or two primary functions. One is to produce testosterone and the other is to produce sperm cells. So the part of the testis producing testosterone is called the Leydig cell. And the part of the testis responsible for production of sperm cells is called the Sertoli cells. So the LH, the luteinizing hormone, is the hormone that stimulates the Leydig cell to produce to produce testosterone, while the FSH is the hormone that stimulates the Sertoli cells to produce sperm cells. So if, like in your own case now, your LH and testosterone is normal, which means that your testis is responding to the stimulation from the brain. And the way we know it's responding is that it produces enough testosterone. But your FSH is very high, significantly high, and you are having azoospermia, which means your brain is producing FSH. The FSH is trying to stimulate the Sertoli cells of your testis to produce sperm cell, but the Sertoli cells are not responding by producing sperm cell. So by not producing sperm cell, the brain keep on producing more of FSH, trying to force a response, and that is sperm production. So if it had been obstructive azoospermia, then the FSH would have been normal because there will be sperm production. The issue would just be that there's an obstruction preventing the sperm cell from being able to, get ejaculated out. Maybe there's an obstruction within the testicular sac, the epididymis, or in the vas deferens, that is the pipe that takes the semen out. I mean that takes the sperm cells out to meet up with the other fluids. So in a nutshell, the hormone test result is indicating that your azoospermia is non-obstructive. Because if it had been obstructive, then the FSH will be normal because your testis will be producing sperm. Just that there's something preventing it from being able to go out. And I don't treat obstructive azoospermia, but we can address non-obstructive ones. The underlying condition is addressable.